Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error laptop slow opening programs. To start, enter misconfig in the search box. Click on System Configuration. First, on the Services tab, check the Hide All Microsoft Services box. Then, uncheck the boxes for non-vital services. Now, in the General tab, activate the Selective Startup box. After this, uncheck the Load Startup Items box. Finally, click Apply and OK, then click Restart to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.